Packfrog is all about people. Whenever you receive data, you can get details about the sender. Just click the name. On mobile devices, you'll get to the user details by long pushing the listing entry. This window gives you details about the selected user. It also allows you to send messages or start file transfers. One thing to watch out for is the little green icon. It tells you that this user, his name and details have been verified by Packfrog. Here's how to find new users or friends. Open the main menu and click on Find User. Simply enter the user's email address. If the user is unknown to the Packfrog, you can invite him. Otherwise, you can add him to your contacts. You can always activate the list of your contacts from the bottom menu. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.